My name is Marlon Mosquera. I was born in Manatí, department in Atlantic. Young, currently working in Santa Rosa sur de Bolívar. Esther, my students English to be excellent teacher. Learning a new language allows the person to acquire new skills. Phonetics. Phonetics, one of the most important parts in learning the English language because it allows the person to pronounce it properly and not make mistakes. He had eight difficulties and the delivery of activities, but what he have learned with has been done and remedied clear. Holding did design the other students with difficulty are the most values